Assalamu alaikum. How are you? Hope you are fine. Today I'm going to make chicken to 150 grams, then add 1 tablespoon ginger and garlic paste. One tablespoon soy sauce. 1 tablespoon chili sauce. 1 tablespoon chili flakes. 1 tablespoon ground oregano. 2 tablespoon yogurt. 1 tablespoon black pepper. 1 tablespoon chicken tikka masala. Add 1 egg. Mix, mix, mix. Marinate chicken. Take samosa sheet. Cut it into strips. Like this. Cover the chicken with strips. Like this. Fry, fry, fry. This is how it looks like. Ready to serve. If you like my video, so please like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to press the bell icon.